Hello and welcome to our virtual reality training center. Please take a look around at our factory. Today let us learn about LOTO, Lockout Tagout. LOTO is a safety procedure which prevents accidental startup of a machine during maintenance by disconnecting it from all energy sources till the problem is resolved. Welcome to the factory. Meet Mondi, our Employee of the Year. As a product packaging worker, you should always be prepared to face any problem. Oh no, look! The wrapping paper is getting stuck in the machine. Turning the machine off in the right way is your responsibility. To switch it off, the knobs of all energy sources need to be turned. Well done. Now they need to be locked and tagged too. Look at the wall to your right. A lock and tag with your name is now required. Put the lock in the knob and then put the tag. Write your name, date and time on the tag so that other employees can easily identify you. After removing the jammed packets, you can start the machine normally once again. LOTO keeps you and your co-workers safe. It minimizes exposure to injury in unexpected releases of hazardous energy such as steam blasts, corrosive chemicals and electrical arc flash. Next time when you have to turn off the machine, always use LOTO. Be safe.